Ebusia me ma good afternoon. So when him say edu Tuesday dia, I not just say I kofa huhumu ni ade because I me krada. Me pacho any day di kaya wote me am edi ni ye Abena Ruthy. Afei so ate ase ni time ka say me krada no. Na o'clock na edu so no say winim. Eye Sompa till 8 o'clock. Me pacho na wo ho te sen. Wo fie ho, wo adwumem, oh school ho. Just a baby a wo bia e hot te sen, me gidi se ho ye pa. Na ni aye hia me pa ya me tabisa wo botom so te sen. Ye tiri nyankropon trade ampo nti ye mpan hwedo ye mpan hweda ono ni nyanka nyine ja na obeboa yen abribia mejidi se bibia akotote wo akache miminim se akotote because erade na ye twere no oni ye hwemo ontonkompo no wado chese nani gusu se ya na nani kuye ho so anything na abribia ye de ye ho ebe twere no ai memo wakwaba eba Sompa delight. And a Tuesday, enti unim say definitely ye the etiquette ever bro, ye the etiquette ever bro. Auntie Belisa baby, I will be a make sure, and I know me who say we do did that. Just say well, born the bed or the best one. Na ye be phone lines now we boost our questions because we did say and your ma ye siano e boy mia bna e boa me nti bi did say wo so ever boa mo ma me fast da PSA Emma Lexter Company Limited omo no mo produce Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush na metna na mitumi fefe se na bisre na me say ISS stretch out man na me producer osha masere sem na masere say isa no odini two baby otino na e was so who say Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush and na me dia ye menum kama onia kojo de omo no mo so ya snenti ye do mase ebusuya upesa woni ye di nkita ho a se wonim ne wo se wo ye abribia metna ameka client service line ye wunti ne wo ho enti frɛ bisa wonsem fa wo adwuma bra ye mo ho de romaw because tisi ade wentie Sompa wonye guy sa na ekɔ no wentie Sompa wonye guy obia se Sompa na ekɔ enti fa ho bedom me pa cho ba member client service line em maw 0531 886-216 0531-886-216 na line where you so na we are interested in your capacity building na pese ye na say svelte lady obetna say no we are interested in it and I think you should be interested in it because we're free training Abena financial management training, customer service. Bibia ye chere obia ye kan bomu na ye 1 day workshop. I'm a wo listener no. Me auntie akoso de ordinary asem. Because ubenya we wo baby a oba kotua e na wasua but Sompa e de bro. Enti no send the WhatsApp to number ya me boy no na cause I'm interested. Eno no na producer ebe ede obeka ho na afi ya hyehyɛ date ne fefefe na ya ye producer Michelle
me je so papa am fe
me that's thank you
international anointed
thank you
prophetess
me that's oh Jenzi for sanu beka oh na mpomwe
adum Jidie
ene patapa
ehun didin sa nyame asem
yes no ya
integrate enti ase so a ye nwen hu
sa
God is not dead.
Hey, I don't be God is not dead. I see. If I will come out home first, I'm say, oh, and then maybe I'm a fire and be do hano. Ah, brother.
Na inkum.
Na inkum.
Okay.
Na inkum.
You see blue nusu fata.
Thank you. Enti, me sweethearts be na year me come and
I see.
Yeah, they train anti drama. Was settle you know. Mami fanchi amo mo preocupe. Oi. Me who say or she story be the abama say or ye na you know.
You say was your wo gu akwan.
Eh sir.
Ye nyina ye.
Ene yenko na ye wi because I mean take it time na me share me crofwe. I nti ye beko. Yenko na me take it time me share omo later. Na sani anti adwa our stories ni de. Ebe ye anti adwa na pomo e.
Na me adum patronal so.
Adum Gidie ni patapa. In fact, Melissa say Adum ni experience. Oh no, say the other no. It's a bush for yama eti for akwabe na yebeko vocabs corner, isn't it? Ene.
Yeah.
Now and ma o baba gidi no
Because I'm a British.
I know, right? Eti enra word na dey. Munka.
And ardent.
Oh yeah.
Ardent.
Okay. And the ardent listeners, no muti papa. All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
We are ready.
Proselytismatic raw eba. Ba.
Bam.
Hey! All right. When you do hold the let's do wishy-washy. Wishy-washy. One word, wishy-washy, hyphenated. Until let me spell it. Wishy-washy. That's the word for today. WISHY dash. WASHY. Wishy-washy. Until I say wish now the wire can wash now the wire can. So wishy-washy. Wishy-washy. That's the word for today. Until the meaning na yen fanko.
All right. Wishy-washy. It's an informal adjective used to describe someone or something that lacks firmness, decisiveness, or strong principles. It often applies a person who struggles to make up their mind or actions and ideas that are vague, weak, or ineffective.
And say, open your examples about
Svelte manenko.
Svelte lady. I only mobile I wish you was yana. Send out kind of indecisive. Or any or hatch no ha or no shadan just should be na. Who can be about him? Any. Baby, I can feel an example my sanke.
There be kase example ni hanti bi a ye ba o kase Svelta na said ya wo ese me ready free and I say
feel free. Feel free.
No, relax, you feel free. Just flow. Why? Come to you.
Okay. So from okay, you let me bring this example before. Where the Miami example?
And no one produce a person way.
Exactly. So feel free. Just flow.
Okay, you bet me I can say. Linda is wishy-washy about her degree course.
Okay.
So, say she's unable to decide on what she wants to do when it comes to that course.
Okay.
So, Obi I want me take a firm decision biano. Or a wishy-washy. Sappho is wishy-washy.
I saw the new one so the new one so. Now I wishy-washy about black stars. Which I mean they are true. City and I say oh mama near keke guy in our
yeah. However, Sappho is wishy-washy about his decision to marry.
Okay, but me trust out. So Safo, I'm saying, and Safo is wishy-washy.
Say Ama.
I'm be ho. And you can say that Safo is wishy-washy about marriage.
Yes. I'm saying me BM.
And the vocab for today, wishy-washy, 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 wishy-washy. Mr. Uko Facebook Sompa Accra 106.5 live. Ubehu yen wo ho and udu ha Mr. Comment like, share, niyenko. Enti ebusu ya for someone nim what you got to do. Yesterday Moon use. Producer, yenkwe, ni etiesi konkonsa.
Crying.
Ade.
Crying.
Hey, yes.
Every
Aish.
Ebusia for yenko konkonsa for today na eja yenhwe de eko. Hey, Augustine, today I forgot to. I didn't give you heads up. Kafrawat.
Free.
So
Free. Munina mun free.
Omo ye memorial service Emma Beverly Afaglu of Virginia. So
right.
Yeah, it was US and a lot of people were able to make it. I mean, talk of all the names in the industry. Nyomtofo no be a lot. I mean, meet me body kinata no panka mo. Oh yeah. I mean, yes. So Indonesia, I think all of them showed up, and it was very sad listening to ne husband Kwa Master Eugene, ne tribute na all pay to ne late wife no. Say Abontin the nankofo nim so ye actress, she's always in the public space and everything, but ono no ye ne kunu.
Yeah.
Enti say on konenam nam ye ne rounds in area Abontin oba. She comes to him as a husband, and onim said ye ne wife no etie. She has a very good heart, and onim the kind of sacrifice awaye ediama busuan before her demise. Enti no afena chese ubia paisum. It was very very sad. Enti I earlier saw say omo aye changes. I wanted to check the venue no.
Okay.
The new venue now omo de Abana. I think I will do
Ghana,
it. Yes, and I'll communicate it to your listeners. Nyame adoma ochina enti no. That's the new arrangement the family made. Enti nyame adoma ochina na yebe the new venue no ebe to just said ebe ya obi a o prepare say obeko eye na sibia no. Obetimi, yes, obetimi a check na ya yiwe ya she. So still na yema ebusian for shedding. Yema Eugene shedding. I mean, I think for me Eugene is even taking, like, he's handling this whole thing well. Yeah. E wum say yemben no yenim de oda na joa okomu ni ade, but I mean we've witnessed maybe say ewo krom ha, and sometimes ube the be free chira ba mu nsem obi ewu awie na chire nsem basa ni ade, but I think this particular issue so far has been drama free.
That's the key word.
Yeah, drama free. Eugene and Shadin Nebusian phone in us and Shadin. My main phone call ye papa Edward Akwesi Boatin ho. Gospel musician, I mean the legend. Papa na obo a
accordion.
What are friends say?
Accordion.
Said rains na flooded Accra last week,
Okay.
He was one of the victims. I mean, yeah, his situation was also as bad as the ones we saw. But I want to say it's like we didn't even notice anyway. Say a lot of people suffered whatever happened, For me, the videos I saw, I think now Okita woman bimu woman now, as for her identity, I don't know. And so no than has he. Oh yeah. and now Omonemuna, they were trying to get
Facebook action. No,
they were trying to they were trying to salvage in your maybe ombetimi out of the water and all of that. It was very bad. And or say for unknown situation, no say the you know. Why complaints or your complaints be because area now or timuno omu hu say omu erect structures be wo hono ne obi container bi obebo ye e wanim ho even before nsuo ne kra no why complaints bebre akwa assembly police for ho ne ade sa particular buildings no e obstruct water flow enti no they should do something about it but apparently otu huana moa when results be ansana flooding nearby so by no he was using his situation to reiterate the cause and say yeshena ye solve issues I fa Ghana ye planning especially urban city hanum say ye share ye city planning no and nema hudo bebre betimi abo say the beya ensio kakra bi to a I mean we are even fortunate to say a toss ano ensanto bium nse na ye ka ho asem e papa nti akwasi buaten picture nti wo hwehwe ma enti enti no we are fortunate say nsuo ne to ba ko no sa no ensan ento bium and it doesn't mean say enti me ento bium unti mean si nyankopon kwan so ma onye de wo opese wo ye exactly enti me kan so no me ka obi bom pai say radima I didn't even know I think so a popular account on TikTok I didn't know until say sorry for I think so a member of Makers
Odu Michael
yeah
Michael
yeah
ono so kwa na adwuma so mo chado ne
so
baby opama de wo
exactly enti ene na me hu say eja Makers for Nyamisha Reverend Nene leadership of the church omo akoye na do ye kese pa I mean considering guy no adwuma awoye and I think his situation was also as bad as others no so obi ne whole shop the machines any investment get what
build over 10 years any PR team
okay
yeah oh yeah very good no designing your costumes idea announcements there
wow and you know this is what we are talking about service you show up when people need it and you say bia sebe ye kasa sorry na yade no you also notice say excuse me says oh yeah obi hu bia say bia obi a on fa sorry serious on render service bia wonya me fie oba ye pon ya na watu ni car pa na woko onye obi a nimu no you know it's a different thing you can be in church and you be absent you can be in church and oba no obo so ye pon ya na wata ebu okra ye mpon na wafa bag ne niema na wafa achire ho na woko ni obi ankasa you don't say hi to anybody you don't but ukwa na wo complain na me yare ye and obi am frame and obi am me but obi kwa nim sa wo yare
complaining pa
obi kwa nim sa wo yare
eyi onko
exactly
bi free man ye bisa na so anko nya sorry na amra wa de na wa kwa
supply abodo no ne enam no he requested for something so at least ye hia bibi kakra
na wo hwe ni kitchen rewraw
just see oka pe me simi nya another revelation say na oba pretty crap Peter and James on boat suru gina
Jesus requested or say what do you have enti then na wo eye wo service no ho asem ne so that in return no say wo call wo ye because say bibi to but so far as a woman if you can why not if you can why not enti no yera Edward akwesi buatin and so mo bi a mo pesa mo de boa no you can reach out he's very active on social media enti mo betimi reach out all these years no wato nyom ama amanfo yare tutu ahonhom bone ne ade music to soothe the soul into say ono so kwa ho twemu I think say it's just right for people to help if you can.
Nti because I'm saying issues be na obi talk man so be man me I forgotten the story.
I think it's a Prophet Abena Ruthy.
Because some
with the wife na worry mu issue papa no wabre.
I feel as I'm so settle
I think it's all because say all these years what to nyom why nyom ni ade I think say he didn't have a car. And obi beka say one more brand now, you know, that kind of thing, but
no go through
go through in your maybe and obi be in a car. You see, that's what we are talking about.
To hoda na etwibe
na be ne den
because say leadership mu enti eno an say betutu ye nyoma ye na be ma ye nkofo enya so mfaso
pepe
ye frefre ye omuntutom nyoma ye ayi leadership anyom to for leadership gamro hwan obia ntutu nyoma ye na nkofo ewo ase a omo bre especially titifo no po na mafo no de omutumi charge na nse enya omo yi but titifo no do na ne fe eyome na mama Helena by no okay ne fe yes otonyom a ye be hu na odwene ho at the time into na ma bebre na ntumi anye ye nyoma bebre into no I mean ye nhihye ye na emo because I was so mudidi omunyoma ho exactly na nyom obi kura de ato YouTube ma
o jimusika into no that's it with my last story na nyame ya domo a Afro Park Party ebekoso ewo Germany Akwaba Entertainment Group 4 na wo mo organize nyame ya domo a August 8 enti wo mo chere say celebrated music stars wo nyina ewo Bremen any area ho nyina na obi abeba and they've already booked some encrophobia omo ebeba so omo de wo mato board ne so enti mo amowo important ho nyina no mo abo ho you can go have fun, enjoy, relax your body, good music, your culture e be showcase unse Ghana for the yeshia. I mean there's something about Ghanaians and fa ho so otu obi man so onyanya ne yonko ba ko mienu bi wo ho no ma o betimi abonko mo agigi o mania to yeah, because abroche dey say abroche asetna na ya na emu odin kakra you know obi anfo obi ahụ one na mo na eja onya sika no abeku ukrom no aba abedi
2 years kana so twice
yeah obi asori like
because bills do ho be nti wa nkwa adwuma
nobody cares about anybody me so for otetutu kwan pa but dey be o ka say okwa acha 1 week bunsa say something is missing. I say, what feel? There's something about Ghanaians, you know. Go and enjoy good music. Na your culture and community spirit. And your money uniting to me and your way. You just a D crime. Ebe was here, Floating Stone, more any rascal kunomone, just a kwame or body, munina beko hobby, patapa, beko. Intino.
And your patapizi. Patapizi.
I see.
Na no patapa on you we ja to na.
Na bi ogusu.
Ogusu mo wa.
Very lazy.
Very lazy.
Mo bete mo dre.
What do dre o
Enti no monsha nenso na live band music. Umu nim said the live band etie. Enti monko na monko enjoy bi yesi gate fee near €30.
Okay.
But for children, they are free.
Okay.
And I think it's worth it. So when we are any idea, no better have fun, so normal. And you know, that's what I have for you today.
Thank you, Brafa customer service to us. And rano, woman, ya may say, and to know the cat. Uchu mutai odi yenka mama ifa why ready na me fa me chia dem ko
fa chia ne ko na ene it's answer nra no omonsan kan ntino ene me twa ne tu amon
sa na ye no ntino ye ne ready abra me de nchia yi e koma Chanel's for and somebody can just say that my wife and ho defi
sabe pe ama ya de
o mu twa me makeup yo po sign ye no ma fine ma yeah abene my pampered
no ni
me na me ni intimidate and chia kese koma Auntie Rodalyn Aye, no ye CEO of Chanel's omo yeti omo hacho. If I omo osu and then hacho. Hacho na me call ye Auntie Rhoda unchi akese pe. Thank you for pampering me today. Na mencha ladies na ewo ho so wonderful ladies Lamisi, Jemima, Naomi, Mary, Shika, Letitia, and no more learners be so ho. Nti omu si omu bie mu goyi no mo etie. Nti nchia we come on papa. Nti Chanel's for me da must pass and Mami feel très bien.
I say me baby omu.
Hacho quite
I have seen them before.
Yeah.
Chanel's
Wisconsin Junction and who call towards Hacho station hono.
That's nice.
Emu hona na omu. Nti me chia wo bie mu like I said. Why are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right.
And we're in a strategic customer service tip. And
thank you.
All right. So, they say learn customers' names.
Hey. Okay.
As much as possible.
And super like a child.
Yes. Ghana today is a Nipaninya Freya.
Near Bonidin.
Now,
you say, whenever.
Near Bonidin. We super miniaba, Nedofo, near Bonidin. So, when you do that, you are able to build rapport.
Okay.
With customers.
True.
Very key.
True.
It's a strategic market customer service initiative.
Okay.
Yes, I say. Enra so yent me amfa amom ye pese beja tum nti ena no me konu tu
okay
enra de na me de amom
say yensu customers din okay
ebe boa pa oboni din a bia hello hey kwekwan ponsani mun say yeah ana nipa ne ba ya nipa ne ra inside hey auntie ajwa civility lady akwa ba last week let me show him say ba wa ma you see go that enya me ahun then today be any can say oba and I feel so aya yenya abotre ene de na me de ma yenya abotre we should be patient
okay with
customers customer ni mood bi owo mu bia obeben no no beba we adwuma mu no bo modern say benya abotre de bia say ma me chese adu say ma me can say do patience say ma me can say you should have a big heart to tolerate every nonsense when it comes to treating customers.
Okay.
Inti yenya abotre my customers na ebenya mo so mfa so pa me dase.
Inti number 1 yensua omudin.
Ene enra ade no.
Number 2 na yenya abotre emo. Okay. Ene ebenya abotre. Se na ebenya abotre ama
ene de na yenya abotre no.
Ene de yenya abotre. Inti enkonrem no enkofa.
What's the difference?
Me teacher na bia info bia ni so.
Ai.
Otana bia se.
Pacho ya line by line am fe ni so. Sa na tie.
Otana bia se munti. Inti nra bia no. So customers din. Omo frɛ phone so omo ba wetimi abo.
Me producer one. No size.
Ene ene de no. Ene ti de no. Ene se onya abotre customers. Abotre wie nkunimdi. Etutu ne ma bebere ya enye enti ne ne medase enti anti adwa medase papa konkonse mu hwam ena ade aba ena oda Jerry medase so the customer service tips 2 por abre and then pa so ebinya abotre na fa yesuesua customers din ye de be adwuma enti abusua ye koso ada Lexter Company Limited ase onim say ye to me keke ne ye ka ne nyina chese ye de Yas toothpaste ne Yas toothbrush etchi yesi or say for hygienic healthy living always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush na Mr. product ubenya bi wo market baby ya Accra number ube free ni 050 161 9588 050 161 9588 na Kumasi so number ube free ni 050 139 0338 050 139 0338 ebusia for mi twa me ho aba na me ba ye ne Auntie Meli mpacho edi na emi kwa na mfre na Auntie Meli why Auntie Melissa ye ne no ebe ye etiquette enti enko ba bia
21st Clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bi a enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na no nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a 21st Clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de kɔ ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ɛho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st Clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods. Abakade. Enye diani ni diani o. Yewe diani. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha. Ahemfo. Eya kesiye. Wedina kesiye. Party ya kesiye. Se mu pe baby. Awo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet. En wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wo bi e chane ni a. Hajia special local foods. Ewo hacho. Atomic kwano so hono. Dienti e friend local foods ne say. Enye wo ye aduane a na wo matentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro na wo de aye aduane se ehye abontine aduane edi enye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese ehye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se ne wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo se momfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food upese ofra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na with them
eh medo edrano pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwimesima minya homka senti na ye bokoyi na me die me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me ama sesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfem me biem
na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese
enti na wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham.
Oh yes, and Crotrodo, Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, a Buzian Chamfa.
Sawo Peduduo 2 Ewon Kran ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and then the brush abejaso, abeboy.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, ne Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyankupon Reyahon what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home enye TV program keke eye bra osoro ne asasi hia eye bro nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the spirits of God reposition your life.
Masom First Service entwa wo hu hoda eye dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia fa woda no nyina share radens na erade beye
ya boy ya ba Sompa
ampa ye free akoma muton na ye share ade ni monyam abra ye ti ase de aye nko an ye de be ma nyankropon my favorite word basayadom ebusia me ma akwaba na Auntie Melissa tenase wagye na adwa ene no tuntum say yo hey sister
Mommy.
Oh, boy life.
Oh.
Ebusia mpatwa bonko Facebook why. Sompa Accra 106.5 live. Aha, na mo nkwohwe na mami senia Black Beauty. Eish. Uje easy na opomo e.
Nyame adomo patwa na nse.
Adom.
Ye de nyame ase.
Didie. Ne patapa.
Very important.
Ye dwi won ye ti ase ye nwe ho.
Very important. Asemo.
Enti ye mo akwaba.
Mejo so. Mefa akwenye so echia. Di ohun aye hu bi no. Aha, Prophet Emmanuel Periapel. Michia ne pan ne hu keni Mrs. Tracy Periapel Mother Prevailing Ministries. Ano michia omo na masanso echia mi twin sister. Esther Bekwe, nyame sha obebi a wo bia. Na mechia wo Auntie Abena.
Sir.
Ne de enchia no me de ba kwa envelope mu. E de abro ti. Pa show me my good afternoon.
Aish. Oh, mommy, good afternoon.
My good afternoon. Na mechia wetie fo ne wahwefo nya.
Obia just so
na wu me wo han yan bone.
Producer.
Oh no. Last week you share phone etiquette.
That's right.
Na ebi mo ha yetimi receive calls na ye wi a yebisa ye ho say na phone no no to ma me ana. What to ska out of phone so you say na nkofo be handle situations no endi mboa we nti na ende ye phone etiquette.
Okay.
Na ye ka say suban bi a ye da na di abra ye calls aha nti abra ye ne afoforo egina phone so e kasa no say suban na ye da na di na ne phone etiquette na ye say sans so unu akuni ni ho a ye de visual signs and cues ebe mo munti.
Okay.
Say ye dance baby e dia ye abra ye ne omo kasa no omo be omme hu de ye pa akere.
Okay.
Won se nka ugina meni ma nka meti mebu meni bi akere o e bia wonim se mebu meni left akere say mebu meni right akere say but phone so nti suban bi a ebeche professionalism.
Okay.
Aha. And a build trust and so ye ka say the inte say you sua ye create positive impressions. How the way they hu hear me pa because when ya akwenya anye any fufro ankasa bia oni ye bi ebetimi atonton hu yi aha. Say improve asemo we dey anti agoje obetwitwaje me yes see improve communication sa and enhance customer satisfaction.
Okay say my customers any genie awo ye no say na oni omo kasa no mo any genie awo ye no
makuma to me and I say reduce errors.
Okay.
And a building relationship between say customer na say even family bond and na obi anka so mene ne kasa ikwa otitu ne hugu me so ana say wanfo obuo ama me aha ene say ye ejumaku nso a reflect we ejuma no wo ho say mekanisa ebia na onuako no efri Sompa FM na say no ebia oje reflect wo so we jumemu ena ye ba me groupy ye na ye share with answering of calls yes say ye jumaku mu mpo a na se call ne ba through a
yeah
pacho so yes, all sacra adimam on the third ring, dear.
Okay.
In case I will say, Ube pick corn. Na I say, Uchia politely, ewo ahuba siemu.
Yeah.
Na, enka, Jumema, Ube wood, Yobia. Good afternoon, Pacho. Aha, Sompa FM. Na midin de Melissa, Pacho. Aha, now I wash our sister. Na sa uom bi de mu nua kona ube offer assistance amano na ye ka say yenyi distraction bia efi akwem
okay
say ye gam na ye wio say eye obi na ye ne kasa we chire o de ye bia say ye bomode say ye be yi de ebe twitwa ya nemu efi hono Chino, I'm. Enna, ye ba say ye kasa.
Enti me pacho, me sa de aduanum na say phone ring na me nko na me wo ho a.
Pacho, either so be posi aduan no.
Okay.
Na wa turn it to call. Aha, na ye say enna o say na funu ahyema. Na ubon say de o kan kro nua ko no ntim enti ne yi.
But o te wo nwan.
But won say won say ye ka say etiquette so boama ya pomodin
yeah okay
okay say obeye niam ebe boa wo so etiquette hwe say ubedi so anti say ye ka say ye ndidi nkasa
yeah
nti ube pose na wetie wo call anasa wa ye call na ebia obi afre wo na one ne ka so se adwoa hwe eja ne so ade na ehye na obo ne nsa amike so wo call so bibi foforo pacho
enye
yenyi distractions enfi akwem se yenim se yenye ready ya ye betima pe kokko na ka so we bia so mesi men sakradi mu nti pacho ma me few minutes me throw back
okay
aha no so ho na krasa won fa de
no so enye na nim so bi wo ha me throw back no
on ti ase o
enye so on ti ase po ebedi
America kra me throw
okay
na obi wo ha de obe mama we dey 2 minutes me
obi wo ha obe so 2 minutes ne be 2 hours
pacho yes sir build the trust
no okay
nti ye wie na ye ba say o kasa ye wo phone so a o kasa ye ka say o kasa kasa ni munda ho
okay
enye clear na ye use friendly tones
okay
enye say afi na obetiete magwo ni akono se ne u baby no ye use tones a eda foma eye boko na ye polite and respectful say oni obi kasa say ye dwumem call o say ye den nye bomode an hu say ye bema kasa no emu ayehwam
okay
ina aha na ye wie no nti this week there no ye avoid slangs ai ena ye man ena ba ku na ye ntimi mbo radio no so na eyi no aha obi beka s word f word aha yeah avoid a offensive languages and so
that is if me kasa me professional a professional setting and I may avoid and I may madam for I mean need komo so
wa down for we need komo but unse bi mu ha we are very wrong but nkofo ye the phones to loudspeaker without
nipa no other end no any pose that loudspeaker
e bia na me no wo ye wo rapport bi a ya yete ye ho afoto bibia ye fred the bomb no nua kaka say e bia ko nshia oda na da obehia say anti Ruthy ni a obeka say e bia na dwem ya be sa not wo hu what say ho deda tipacho ye mbo modern say ye be use ye use slangs and ye kasa no enyo offensive
enye vulgar
na pacho ye tie asem a obi wo the other end kasa pacho ayama ye interrupt nso obi wo ha by all means so oka bibi wan ka ni we be fi pacho we de ye mbo modern say ye betu ye mbo ase ni ye tie na tell na ebe ye won ma say only obi kasa wo phone so o smile a only akono timi sense say
oh yes yes
saso na ebufu wo ha nti mayen felese o ebi onu akono o men kan say only akono
buefu ana bibia saso
oni menim nti ebia mi bufu a ohun ana say bi only akono e customer but sebio ne handling ye den kakra na why hu na wo buefu na even though answers are the man ne nice but o facial expression no kra no and you welcoming only akono betima sense nti pacho yembo modern say ye be smile even behind the phones aba ye ne afoforo e kasa
then o pick phone na was
hello
na ene
o smile kra o pronunciations ye different until only akono cry to me sense so meet me akwa ahead with my request and I say the inti am afrew no
nde me di ho dance
and I'm patrol who place will be on hold
okay
in procedures be or herself who follow
okay
and yes say unto be or how offer phone or say any hold on and one no but patrol procedures be or how say you follow
okay
patrol say a corporate institution be na obia phrasing and I won't put na wafro ni akono na so resolve issue be a na so put you on your hold and patrol be permission be so permission say patrol meet me I'll put you on hold kakra
okay
now we be permission no explain the reasons here who put you on your hold
I see
nti bia only akona fresh say bibi nkoso ye mame a osi o pacho we above me and I say any me power mu say me resolve ti pacho meet me the what to hold na ma forward dey ama ebia asumesi ono na oye rightful person a obe solve pacho into wie ye no only akona ma go ahead so betima put you hold no pacho ya na wada na se na say ebi call na say ya na me hu say telecommunication bi asha say yes ade no nti ebi wa ha ofra call waiting o be twenya na bonyum abebo advert just say na hu say obi be pick call na say nini awo time na ye waste
that's right
but na say ya me from na me hu say even though I work hold no e be show number of people lady with him
okay now
we hu say me ko so ntwen ya na say we hu nti wanti ebia you are the 6th person in line na we hu say make a campaign na first ne day anti abna ubetimi ada sorry ni ana ode oni akoni to hold bisa permission
okay
now my reason why ode oni akoni to hold men fa open and hold the line mama na oye de oye na simple say money automated system bia ebe ma customer ni feedback aya bomodi say obe call back to customer and say patrol you refill you na ye gusu eye nhihye no patrol we'll get back to you na menja onu akono nsinsem
okay ye fancy ayonko I mean conversation enti no ma fa call no na bibi nti e say me put you on hold me nchechire mu nchira me yonko say oh onua me say hold on mama na because me koye abcd
ebia na person be ma detail no but obuo kakra obeti mama ne so ebia adisi jaso pacho mama ntu ya na me get back to you what I say na nya afi na adisi jaso me ko nunum ya me de we begum na enye detail
in at all cost na information kakra be man pa ne hu se wo bu ne mre na or spend it with you no okay
nti ebia mama few minutes na me ko bie gates aba and me ben gate onim say sanya man kitinkiti itimi solve murder cases because I think US okay there's this way wo stations be so omoye criminal investigation manage ho pa na no mo solve murder no maya omu na omu ko hu ne call log no omu hu say no ni asumesi e kasa nti omu kwa asumesi no ho no omu say na this time of death now ni onu akono kasa say ampa menene kasa na edu sa time no mete say obi abo ne bell no no ka chem so okobie gate na ma onu akono na metia ni say wabo obi din obenten manti hwe biom
okay
nti information kakre bi a ode be ma onu akono ebia no na betwitwa ajo
okay
nti banko ebia o ka say hold on no de to high eno ano no
na hwe ni ma wonu ekoso
won
etiquette eboa
ekwechi
cause wuhunu ne wasawo ya eboa obebere
eboa o nti pacho said na mekan na yen
put in pan on hold
pacho bomodia chechemu but not into details the insia na pacho said na mekan we should return to give updates
okay
oebia asumesi no sila in sakra di pacho you bet me afro back and I say baby
okay
now say next point in here so we'll take messages company and I say ebi I will suffer cry I busy no the phone amount say pick a call bia then so yeah so we'll take him messages amobia say ke organization na pacho ube state date of corner by no na no time na callers name say bia oni akono wo sompa na afre wo a osi oni akono wo sompa na efre wo na di nti ofre ye ni
okay
say action bi wo ho a ese o take here bia oni akono so pacho ya na waka chen so on frame me back pacho state here no so because so wonni ho a obi obetima obi obefa sa book na found ebe hu say this day ebi asumesi in place order say na won yen company na they say na nkomo no ekudi yen we wie bibia no na pacho udin a oni akon a otro sa note no ebi a watro Abena Ruthy e wase na ye wie no yen kipi message bia na information bia yenya yen confidential ya fina unim say asumesi freeway or bentin freeway na o say there be
okay nti na no yes say ebi obi de ne phone I entrust to say information I say na what's the okay
say a personal only akone personal line and na say company anye wow there pacho procedure wo ho say wo follow
wonim say question we aba metrim na omu a say bia o do phone no man oh e bia my busy make asata na me te here make say na me dem phone na ma Janan oh sister tie call we mame na owie na so obiebie mu na so okohwe messages e no so ete say
adwobro eno no etiamra we yes a criminal offense
me dey on example
on
I'm person tie 40 ase
on your etiamra obi bet me see won invading of privacy patching etiamra so obi ema of phone say bia o say mame o phone calculator me enter figures bi ye be hu ana nam gallery o ko hoko ye den mesrel me because they can take you on
okay
o ka so su a obenyan ti pacho yen hye so emman
e say group an e perform nyame fa nyame ba no ma ne bebre wo ha enkoyi
aha enti so o customer afro and I say institution be this customer nakumanto ni yemie afro ebia 1 year satisfied about a product and a service how would you handle it
okay
pacho so stay calm nebia only akọ in the heat of the moment waka assembly etia now wo de quote unquote sebio we no nonsense person to so be keka wadwe a kire no there be pacho so we stay calm now we listen to complaints no and tell na imagine say me wo hona ana obi wo hona wa friend na ni bofu ina gigigi ina manye say muye say manye na onya kona no say na wo ho so pacho wo say na afi no be repeat bi uya sakra u bring crew.
Yeah.
Pacho. Oni akuni buefu no. Calm down. Send a midi kankai. Neti ye. Utie ya say ubetima show empathy. No way show.
Yeah.
So won't me a pacho wo de yedin. So also feel offended that and you wanna obey show oh dear because definitely the all friendly jina bibi sunti are all friend into pacho. Aya yen show empathy. Then avoid the arguing.
Okay.
And na and me na me ye and na all friend me and na also dear be ye dear. Na way to ama way to na ye de ni pacho emboa. Into pacho yeah avoid the arguing. Now if possible yeah offer solution.
Okay.
Into ebia o pacho mate o complaint nia yeah sorry we dey found who push a company ni shoe mu yeah sorry say enam yenso na adiwe ato pacho fa chen na pacho meet me transfer o accord the rightful department on meet me handle the situation yamawana because ebia na also amen afrofro uko bie wanu a obeto bom nti pacho unim say untimi take things na men kasa bomodia transfer unu akono
okay
eko
rightful department ebetumi asolve na sem na ma
no unu akono kasa I am my interrupted.
Okay.
Send a midi can kind. Because we ebufu asem nanti abna another chapter. Because only a kunu person or ending a statement. Also person or channel say entisa we the mon kani ni view. Onye no hu venti. Na ye wie no yaba ending calls. Say ye end the caller. Yen confirm say all questions and I say bibia only akono call and put it through no ya answer.
Oh okay.
I say or fraud because of a reason. Nti I say ono so nya emwaya or she.
Okay.
So onya mpa making sure so obey follow up. Amane so we bia enye me na me unka say enye me na me handle ba pacho ebia ye be throw back on this particular thing na okay na ye be share amount na ye summarize any agreement
okay
say
ya atum see ye be ya ma no ye momode nti no at all cost na ye make sure say ya ma oni a offer no wenya ne o hwehwe na ne boso ato ne yem okay nti I say yenya double do because producer so ye customer service yeah che say oh yeah handling customer complaints na we apo we or the amaye papa nti yenya double do
producer ye that's we no na wada call na say
okay
ye da wase say wa fresh umpa
okay
now we are if possible say polite farewell and with a polite what dana say we will say have a lovely day,
okay,
have a nice day, have a blessed day, whichever way,
okay.
So when you are going to buefu a opamonje so why you are famous day into the market p no me born a tofa ye receive a call and I make a caller. We have to be polite and professional. I say ye see in some new ye uti ba kwa say uti ba kwa cause one tie ni ye I say ye tie ni na ye kasa kra I say ye bi anu na ye kasa clearly ye bi yanu na ye respond promptly
okay so phone ring yeah and
patrai ye respond bright say ye miss call cra
okay
ye ba I say yes answer returning back
okay
na ne kra me di betwa so no ye end on a good note
okay
then you say we akuma washo na ye de shia na
in effect me enku phone so
my enku phone so
is there obi na me no ma decide say me be family phone ma tele na
nyame ma abote
o pa che say etiquette che say enye right to do so okay
because at the end of the day na wakekunya waje ache onia kuno ebia e customer hu ne na wakeka waje na ese wuhia no so ye bibi ma afi na obe patcho for previous encounter na sa obe ye den patcho we should always leave on a good note.
Okay.
Now nim baby a ube
Asian nipa no ana so be here na mo apo a chese. Ebe oh I had already the lines ni BP did that. Abusia over to me afre 0260 19 60 64 0260 19 60 65 na sisi ano me fa ne he 8002 60 19 60 64 0260 19 60 65. Wow, friend, we na so keto e bi na. Yeah, we fa wo sisi a. Auntie Felisa, watch the yade. And that's it, papa. Ma yene kolai enkasa. Okay. When to me na. You be sign. I mean, me sure so umbe free. One. Okay. Let me pick it. Hello. Me pacha fede me te wonka. Sorry, sir.
Pacha, good afternoon.
Me pacha, good afternoon. Ye mo akwaba.
And yes,
Aish. Ye mo akwaba, sweetheart.
Thank you. Auntie Melissa, I'm sure we are that. Hey, me says that we're phone etiquette. Said, yeah, me no because I still pass my 5 minutes, my paper back. Now, me so conscious that 5 minutes is payment because I'm a friend.
Oh, that's good, Auntie Martha. That's good.
Yeah. But my friend, if I'm not going to say, yeah, I'm friend, and I'm not just 5 minutes, man, me, I will wait now. My friend, no. Internet, I said, so we can show it, yeah. Or better in 2 minutes time. Oh my God, I'm going to as I
aha, so because we wouldn't know. Aha. Wow.
And last week is here, Saturday, and now it's a but I think Melissa has anything. When I said the other day, I want to noise here.
Okay.
And so we so etiquette. Okay, nam kum de something
Atimata so.
And Abena Ruthy last week Friday when I may kai advert into the bag man my advert in a popular I kept
and you wouldn't Friday may repeat it. I won't Friday may repeat it. Auntie Martha, that's it. Bye. Hello.
Good afternoon, baby.
Hey, good afternoon, do Papa. How are we doing?
Well, I'm better, and you too?
By God's grace, so I'm super blessed.
Because of your laughing, sometimes I forgot of my breakfast in the morning, so you better.
Hey, do. I see.
I just love the way you laugh, and you laugh.
Thank you. It's therapeutic.
It seems to me that you are a very beautiful lady, and one day I have to come and see you.
Yeah.
So,
yes, Papa.
Before I go on the issue, let me tell you something this afternoon briefly.
Yes, please.
I am Emmanuelati.
Yes,
from Pram. The basic tema.
Okay.
And my education background is San 7, 1974. That was the end of my education. So our grammar terms seems to be a little bit low with anti-ethics when she bring her grammar up. Then she has to give us a school. So sometimes we may not understand what she means. Because we are still with the primitive lifestyle in the department.
Hey,
so
but the way you are speaking.
A department who will allow us to go a little bit course 1 or 2 days, to see. Yeah.
I mean, so that's
Back
why.
to see you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tete. do Papa. So that is why Sompa. Yes, development for callers, your listeners, you know. Into your best one day workshop, into do. I mean, we'll inculcate the etiquettes in it. Why? Auntie Melissa book. Hello. Hello, Papa. Yes, Papa.
Oh, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon. Voicey.
Just one day.
Just one day voice na head then. Tell me who say but as a voice na BBI okay dear.
No family kakra me na ku di kakra.
Kose. Oh, sorry. Who better why?
So pound don't.
Yeah. Nyame show. Miss Medas. That's right.
And okay, who and the caller, who with a polite lady, and that's it. Because sometimes, we want the man not being no, or who near man, and I should be not, but sometimes our submission, only of the corner, sometimes, a boy.
That's right. That's right.
And then so elaborate. Now, let me decide one question. When say the strange number, unim, I want to be a whatever in call. When should you return the call? Say how many times should you see the missed call? Because you move you on the man. Who may score no back on and the back and maybe or particularly the friend of back. It will not be because the number
okay.
How many times and son of what say they are very and now number no. Okay. Back now I ignore and okay. How many times there was so number be and son straight number be or say
Mate just one day. Made us papa into your answer. Amen. On shower so papa not speedy recovery. Auntie Melissa or say strange number also be or name number now on fa. But wait, how many times an ipana efra it should inform you say, oh, I dear we nipa no hear me into the main fra back.
Last week na yeka say will be free. Will be any kind of free to us so. But say who here and I emergency bia. I shall free back out me sending message.
Okay.
Say yeah WhatsApp or say yeah voice notes. Now we jam money akunu so bia zongo she. Inti pacho bomodia Ephraim back.
My main fa calling na fe o the second leg na kan. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, what from the Roman Joy? Makati Gunyan.
Oh. Auntie pacho dini biom.
Roman Joy.
Roman Joy. I love the name. Roman Joy. Wow.
Yes.
Now, Pacho, go one and for who to say.
Oh, very well. You are a young coconut.
Yeah, there are just simple. Second, make a fancy, but
somewhere when you know the number that you have removed to more line of the much program now, why am I moving? Let's have the money no you.
The man not you better be an way.
Oh, I have the let's have the papa. Remember the that I good because all your about minimum no. Look the hello, good afternoon. Hello, good morning. So you bring and Sana, you mamma the box here. But in the nation have the but I don't think a question today.
Okay.
So, you man, point one nothing. Another movement community. And if you now pray a number for no. No, what that's there. Pressure let's follow go. No one need I need be. Maybe someone cut the mama. And I'm a thing to move in Panado. Why do you announce all you do? The million Pano Craben or Papado or you know what? And I did it for you. Okay. For choices matter. And so look at an order. I didn't have to tell him to ask.
That's right.
You can understand the question look now for Panado. See, why do you announce that? What asking no, the man see the more situation about the crab and I am for another to be for responsibility.
You. Yeah, be answer. Thank you. Roman Joy questioning Emide. In Tiemfa, we in Kahuna Fe answer to. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Mama. Yeah, more kwaba.
Yeah.
Me pasho yeti. Aish. Antina.
Hello.
Mabna. AW. I confuse me. Antina, hey, Antina. Antina, you almost studio had no mom meeting here because me boy Antina straight. Hey, Antina, my feel.
Yeah,
I'm
pasho
boko die. Uba class ache. Bibi aboko die.
I don't mind show you any papa. And I did you did papa.
Yeah, there are kwaba.
Oh, yeah. Okay. And it's a be eye opening for.
I tell you.
One thing is that will be Madame for call me phone. Because I'm afraid area but I'm missing.
Okay.
It's in 17 and what then. You know, it's very funny phone, it's a funny phone.
Okay.
The moment I send me the phone, my telephone, without like, it's to make sure to the oil was one after we know. Sometimes people don't understand me. I said, we call phone, then I may have family with you. But that day, it was a painful day of my life. That Mamma said, but Nami, sir. Mammy, my chef, me pants as a new brow. Grandma, Madame for me, charming. And I didn't have to stay though. What?
Wow.
Because that's somewhere singing. So I didn't even know. And some of these friends say, hey, I don't know why I don't know you for this.
Yeah.
Why are you doing this? It's like, oh, I don't know. I didn't know my also called status now because they are close to over. Mommy, me quite naked.
Wow.
Now, Obuko a Dubai of friend. And about to be said, the chance of a Miss Welshino, also friend me, but they won't came around the idea to home. Him. And you know, my phone, free one on my phone, and you're very, very conscious about it. It's me, I am your partner, I'm a kind of assuming. But when I answer that. I cannot be the time and not say, oh, I said that.
Hey,
and not yes, but why I did that.
Yeah.
It takes me, she not the supreme husband, mutilate me, also little what's happening in everyone. The dear can but one job will nakedness,
yeah,
or will do that. And to phone dear, I have very sensitive thing, I was all put text. That's what I requested you, and not others, and I'm about to meaning.
Okay. Oh, I wouldn't the meaning. Oh, okay. And see, I say ardent listener. She say, oh yeah, dedicated to listening to Adia Oti, no. And I say, obia, or didn't who na she bibimu, or you committed to it. Not dreaming now, honey, bibia. I had to say, and it's to say proclivity. Inti ardent, she say, what dreaming is so at 10 bia, honona. ubetie I say ka say ardent listener che so obi a odi na ko manyina hye ade a wotie nim I ardent say ARDENT ARDENT.
Okay.
Until now, Mpacho Bia Betty, Bia Betty, I mean, show ya that's a papa. Na ya dantina ase for the story I'll share. We a private BB, but we to me I share just to educate others. Say we phone dear, and was so to me a conscious. Say we deal with it. Eye baby for Frank ye be sue ni pano.
But in Ghana ha ye bet me sue. O bet me sue.
No, you can't be for because. O say ye penny fama nyame
nye she
o adamfo say nke betumi esi bateja anti na akoma abojo chere ne akoma kaka
o enti na say apps bia ba o app bia wo utumi lock
okay utumi lock
into you WhatsApp ubetumi the lock atoso uyi gallery ubetumi na patrol nkofu phones a ye komu no emboa yenjai
patrol ma me fa call ina ye answer ye outstanding. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Patrol ma wakwaba.
Niasa. Me no was that na say na me say yake.
Oh, any. Yeah, that's so any mama special welcome. Into me mo wakwaba. Eba so delight so. Yes, ma'am. Edino, Pacho Edino. Oh, Auntie Teria, Yamin Shouts.
My baby, Mama,
Sa.
We bring a number in front of corner. Some more can I be myself to myself. Ada dia bokar dia apa mesti amal asal
ane asi ehuni ekoso
aya dia ba ma Yesu ani oma ayire mo ya mi bi ma gi mu de na mu bi ma
amen
ya ni ma ya nko su ye ja Yesu bi efiri mo
sa yesia Yami show
Antibia, Mitia, Antia, Pam, Mahine, Bitobia.
Obiajo, yeah, that's papa.
I hear Jerry Subami.
You elder Betty, yeah, that's it. Auntie Yami show, so Yami show. Hello. Oh, kuse. Oh, ni line nyina so. Says nti patro ye answer just one day. The question no we one side nti ne say ono na say when your calls no several times how many times na Emma on return say you be ono no mpese obefa number onim na.
Want to say scammers ne identity and ya advisable post obefre na say kra we wo ho true caller wo ho nti wo hwa true caller na o fele say woni monu akona un say ebi wo ha phones ni be wo ende kra etimi ma wo send onu akona message nti utimi tro de wo pe say bia please text I can't talk ana bibi wo ha
Mr. Mama fa call ina hello Aish.
Name.
Hey, mablenye. Oh, wa hene. Eno wa hene.
Sa.
Elder Jerry do ba ko pe. Kaish.
Ba ko pe.
Mabla net say.
Sago padumo na mo say.
Adom ni experience ni patapa ni we.
Ene patapa.
Mete won ka
che. Me mama good.
Aha, ya do so good afternoon. Mama mi enko. Yes, yeah, that's it.
Ela masepa anti melita ngitiano. Atumano aya ma boss to.
Yeah.
Na, and then the coffee after me. Yeah, me be sunny say. Don't say, what you must to say. That's 11. Now what this out? Oh, now, standing for who was the man who can't say no. It's a me say, me don't on Dana do. It's a me drama or that. That's all that from better. 12 a.m. Maybe something. I wouldn't send me a new madam. I mean, one some I mean, can't
okay.
And I'll say so. If you are, I flower. About flower, now say, who you are, what what be a baby? I want to do one of the friend. Oh, now. And I send the name in this town now. To say, yeah, be an emergency. Look like emergency.
Yeah.
And you find from the jungle from and I said, to come then, and normally, go depending on the call,
okay.
Now, you number, that's how
yeah. Name. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, no, say, one wage men pin mu air when mouth pressure on Abia who execute a tax beer, then I saw ye. So who say, in penifono, a bit of how better that the war at two. It make us a stress level be
okay.
Just to test you.
Okay.
In Abia cran a testing period. Now you pneumonia and also why ye de shiano. We fairly poto. Into patrol. One now who receiving end. Who say whatever you are going through no and ya fable. Now say a test cry. Usha who so ubet me edin kunim. Patrol just calm down. Send a medical kind. Mwa upeni ni bufu mon kandi obeka. Ude uwe ya patrol. Se u patrol ewo asemesi ho a ye ntrombo omoma so. Bemum ebia na ye test na mekaye no. Ebia na ye hwe unse ejuma workload. Ye hwe de obetima manage pressure na niam a. Ebo unse ejuma fufo bi ba ya ye be nidi ene.
Roman Joy.
Ye bebo Roman Joy say mo fama Roman Joy because we mean ba wo so won tie ase ya so wa hwe de etwemu no nti pacho nyame ma wakoma na ye adwuma ne mayen
aha say supervisor ne kasa gidigidi say den
nyabotre unya a stepping stage in a learning stage ubedru ho ba onye ndru ho ye no so unya accommodation na ubetimi stomach eniema pi
aha okay nti necessarily also unya abutre etibia okay impatcho you nti yenko just one day the second leg so I was asking no or say or no how many times there also who call na or return it because e be onim number no aha
me say me de me hu be emfason minim ko number hardly say me pick
okay
because of me what JSS na Mr. T me use number way
okay
inti and crofo no dosho but say your agent now per se me pick a call and answer me return here pacho o send text pe me nye hu ya me throw back inti say agent na ebia just one day untimi mpeke call na say at times who end the call send a meka na ebema options to send a message
okay
ebia ubetima sending I'm busy please text ana bibi and no ignore on yakuno still one respond but in another way
okay
into patrol there are many avenues I ubetima respond the calls
okay
ebi no into patrol ubetima you so no
okay into yan come up na question so or say anajo 11 no be afre no frɛ wa wada
hey auntie Abena
no be anything Before we do answer no, in my mind I am thinking say okay, so we obia one person be disturb we sleep and ajua. I mean, which is what I do. But they too do not disturb.
Okay.
And to fra emma. Ebe babatment.
Okay.
Not that emba. Ebe babatment. Intin then ube yi sound nefi. So send ebe ya at the time now wo dano obia mfre. Say nipa no adechina wo call na enye a year. Definitely you can return nipa no call na say elder Jerry obi kan fa ho na.
But anti abna no so eno so nanso ho.
Mpacho kam no
me kai em say na mo primary say just say ebo bi bewie wiase
2000 na ebo na eba na
na me ni mebusu yan obi bebo ye ndo ma yanti nti say ebo ne abebe wo hum no mo frɛ yan phones obi anti yada na baby amete so estate nti obi firi ni fie ebegina lord na ebebo lord kwan no kra beka nti ene mayenda na enya yompem nti but them make cases so say in case of emergency obeden o de to eya ebia na eje bi na eba na enye ndu fie ye nyame mfa samba na obi ni mu number nti on frel se bomode pie nti ma pa cho mo am frel odd hours eye 9 to ebia 7 and 8 enye working hours but your odd hours my enfre obi wo ho kra so ben ho kra obi ti tape o nti wada mada
na wada ne question na obi busa o kan wada obi busa o si de bia wada sa question no obi ni ho busa no wada o kan mada kitu ebi na ye kasa elder Jerry si de
me kan e ma mi no se na obi busa o what day nipa so nim se nipa nada nti what day first answer be na person de masa question na we bisa no ko kan fo process ya be ka say
ebia na enkomo bi no person di no feel say e was we ni da ho no ni di enkomo no enti no busa se wada enti na
but antem na sa wada no ebi wo ha na wada mom but wa friend no ina ninda na asete o say any o sorry a wonya ne me ma sorry
omu yeda menya picking into me na me can say ma pick here you into your kasa
ebi wa so kasa
because kasa ni mu no beti se na mada e na mafa into se mafa dia wada ene ma menya o na o sorry a ma fa wie
o ja me o de men worry o de sorry a nti ade na frame me
sometimes o de sorry on say no so bobi ma wada I pick it call no. Well, answer all right. I can tell you. Wouldn't be doing community.
Oh, country.
Two Jan is all that.
It's now when you say yo. Anyway, yen settle on. But o second one now can.
And a number we can. Sister Melissa okay. Normally, say unim so bi on ma oda na ne phone belia.
Na ne ye machine don to me debut.
However, me say it doesn't matter time I be frame.
Okay. Okay.
So me think one dia me fa say na now can because me was how adwene say. Sa material movement no. Na bia nipa na ewu na or try number bia enko na me anaso on kind number bia me dia na okaya. Offer. Me pesa ade be chi na fe me say bibi say yes.
Me hu yanka.
To me amwa.
Because it happened to me sir. There was a time me that and a family friend be frame me papa baby. Bell 1 a.m. 1 something.
Okay.
Oh, yare. Serious. Something they call.
Wow.
Or friend neba. Neba so at a different place.
Okay.
Or friend neba so get a car. But in the band parking a car will be free because of our convent.
Okay.
That's our time to go for so I park on car they see.
The kind teacher say
to one day
one now
to friend me pick a corner pay. Na near him can say, Papa, the no. Wana.
I was so sorry now,
and they were grateful. You see, at the time now, nipa de friend I am a hard dream. Now so Sana na pros and cons positive and negative.
Yeah.
Obi on ma say o friend na. Ebi o create me bonnet paye.
Yeah.
Yes,
the pressure be so.
Yes, unti me mfa. Is that me say? Time be when ma me ha me ho. Sometimes so na me die me say o bo na o. Say me friends say adetia. Oba ka say
once you're okay. Only I could on time friend or odd hours. Into offered that moment no. On him say emergency. But what Fred 9, 11. Now be some say madana. Inti say here pass say wo here memoir. Me fi wana.
Yeah. And to see what is happening is and ye na ye hia. Ye nim say at this particular time say enye bibia ye life and death. Hu hia pia me ye nye.
Passion.
E me ye nye until 9 ho ko no nyina no 9 to the following day. Enye working hours. Na say me 24-hour economy.
Nyame hu.
And they say minimum. Me answer minimum. Until unim say me until unim so be nyame at this time. But the import of the whole unit is that me fre at odd hours bia
okay
ada wo be hia
someone now frap because me frap first me be me left eye say emergency and me the right na so
now the right na so
you can telephone me na am say ko say pay for you one be free 10 p.m. Anka me frap person come in auntie ako kasa na menchia no sister by this time dear
10 p.m. or channel offer client service line no
yes remo nti ana no dey we nti na am akwan say wait me send message na aboa ofro bi so twice na nipa na amfa jai
and then menya extension keto abi because safusi or ball na e ba no safusi and Egypt match na e ba no anu adine atibeli sawa me na wase I producer one me na wase bebre why ni nya ochina ye customer service na ochina no
fire
managing customer complaints ye to aso nyesa ye na sa me kai learn Auntie Melissa bobo learn aspects ne so na me ka che ni say oh ye nyina ye nya nti abusuafo ye da mo ase sa mo je bre na mo tie Sompa delight and Auntie Melissa wa ye ni nyina producer one ono so aye ni nyina nti abusuafo ye da mo ase ne no ya fa time ni kakra because ball for eba nti no we be enjoy soothing music we so no we tie ball commentary ne safo Egypt so be show because ye nyina ye support Africa sisia se ne aye ne de ya fe support amomu a ye ni ba bia akọ because Ghana free mu enti ye da mo ase ye da mo nyina ase obi afraid bia ye da na ase na when nya kwan ambe mo ampacho fa che me ye dwene mo ho papa enti ne ye de sa capacity building workshop e bana anti Melissa tuatua anti akosi tuatua Elder Jerry tuatua me abna me sukura me tuatua I betchem financial management etiquette customer service bibi ebe boa wo wadwuma wo ye enti ne se wo ye ankra ana se wo sua adwuma po baabi na wo pesa wo better wo hunu bibi more ebe enhance wo delivery ne wo ye na Michelle Freya client service line 0531 886 216 0531 886-216. Either so be free now be send a text message say I'm interested. Unya I'm interested producer be who say o pesa oba capacity building. Ye pesi enya number no na fe ya mamu details ni na enti na hour ne ye Sompa delight o'clock. And I DC me that producer one say Elder Jerry. I mean sure ni na auntie Adwas Velt lady me that say concern St. Augustine. Oh, gentle gentleman. I the actual internet no so fair. You sham videos am come. Ebuzi afaya am on TikTok na dey. Abena Ruthy. Ene Sompa ye wo ho zen. Na fe Lady Joanne me wura papa bi. Obo menyom. Na ni